Hey people, I'm going to show you how to quickly delete games and applications on your PlayStation 5 in this quick tutorial. There's 3 different ways how we can do this. The first is from the main PlayStation 5 homepage here, so you can come along the top and come to a game that you want to delete. So we'll go to Astro Playroom, and then on your PlayStation control pad you want to click this button here, which is the options key, and to delete the game you want to come down to delete. And then once you click that, this will pop up asking you to confirm that you want to delete the game. You simply click OK to delete the game. However, I don't want to delete it at the moment, so I'll just leave it and press cancel. The second way to delete a game or applications is to come where you just was and come across to the game library. Then you want to come down, and then as you can see here across the top, you have installed. You want to click that, and again come to Astro Play or whichever one you want to delete. And as you did before, you want to press the options key when you've highlighted the game you want to delete. Again, you'll get the same options. You want to come down to delete and you'll get the same page, and you want to click OK. However, again, we'll cancel that. And the third and final way to delete the games is from the main page. You want to come up to the top here and come over to settings. And on the settings page, you want to come down to storage. And then you want to click control storage. And from the control storage, this is all the different games and applications. But we'll go into games and apps. And again, we'll have Astro Play or Gran Turismo. Whichever one you want to delete, you simply click it. It'll let you know you can reinstall it. You simply want to click OK again. Then you want to come to the bottom here and select delete. And that's 3 different ways how to delete games and applications on your PlayStation 5. I hope that video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the like button below, consider subscribing, and thanks for watching.